welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into essential financial strategies to protect your business from inflation. It's a jungle out there. Inflation can eat away at your profits like a pack of hungry hyenas, but don't worry, we've got your back. We're gonna equip you with the tools and tactics you need to fight back and win. We're talking about practical, actionable strategies that you can implement right now to safeguard your hard-earned money. We'll break down complex financial instruments into bite-sized pieces so you can understand exactly how they work and how they can benefit your business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this video is your playbook for navigating the treacherous waters of inflation. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's get started. Listen up, currency fluctuations can make or break your business, especially in today's globalized economy. We're talking about protecting your bottom line, pure and simple. 1 minute the dollar is up, the next it's down, and who loses? You do if you're not careful. That's where currency hedging comes in. Think of it as insurance for your international transactions. Currency hedging can be a lifesaver for businesses that import or export goods and services. It's like a lock on your profits, protecting you from the wild swings in exchange rates. There are a bunch of different currency hedging tools available, like forward contracts, options, and swaps. Each one has its own quirks, but they all aim to do one thing: reduce your exposure to currency risk. Talk to a financial advisor to see which currency hedging strategy is right for your business. Don't wait until it's too late. You know what they say, the best defense is a good defense. And when it comes to inflation, you want to be armed and ready. That's why you need to be investing in inflation-protected assets. We're talking about Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS for short. These bad boys are like gold-plated bonds. They're designed to keep pace with inflation. When inflation rises, so does the principal value of TIPS. It's like having a secret weapon against the erosion of your purchasing power. But that's not all. TIPS also pay interest twice a year, based on that adjusted principal amount. Now let's talk about another great option, real estate. It's a tangible asset, something you can see and touch. And guess what? Real estate tends to hold its value well during periods of inflation. Don't let inflation erode your wealth. Invest in inflation-protected assets and watch your money grow. Listen, I've been in the game a long time, and let me tell you, diversification is non-negotiable. It's the oldest rule in the book, and for good reason. You wouldn't put all your money on one horse in a race, would you? Of course not. You'd spread your bets around, increase your chances of winning. The same principle applies to investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. By diversifying, you're essentially creating a safety net for your portfolio. If one asset class takes a hit, the others can help cushion the blow. Remember, diversification is your best defense against market volatility and inflation. It's about protecting your hard-earned money and ensuring a more secure financial future. There you have it, folks. Your game plan for fighting inflation. Remember, inflation is a fact of life, but it doesn't have to destroy your business. By implementing the strategies we've discussed today, you can protect your profits and come out ahead. Now I want you to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Put these strategies to work for you and start safeguarding your business today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips and strategies. See you next time.